Congratulations guys, we did it. We have finally reached the day in 2024 where every user now has the ability to use the YouTube thumbnail A/B tester. No more weird websites to test thumbnails, no more expensive subscriptions to services that really don't work. YouTube is finally listening to its creators after like 3 years of asking for this tool. So what does it do? And why should every single creator be using this even if you're not that serious on YouTube? So to use the thumbnail tester, you have to be signed in on YouTube, have a channel created, and know where the YouTube studio is located. So from YouTube, go up to the top right, click on your icon and go to YouTube Studio. Everyone watching this video should probably know where this is. Now you are looking at the back end of your channel. If you go to the content page here, you'll see a list of all of your videos. Now, the cool thing about this tool is that you can use it on videos that you've already created in the past, or you can use it on new videos that you're uploading right now. So go to a thumbnail that you want to test a couple options to see which one is going to be the best. Click on the details button, which is this little pencil right here. Scroll down to the thumbnail section and this options 3-dot button right here. If you click on it, there is now a new option called test and compare. When you click on test and compare, it'll bring up your current thumbnail and then it will have 2 open boxes for you to upload 2 other thumbnails. So let me grab mine real quick. As you can see, I have a ton of different options here that I thought would work on YouTube. But now I really want to test these guys out to see which one is actually the best and which one does my audience actually enjoy. One that I think I'm going to choose is this guy, and another one that I'll choose will probably be this guy. Very minor changes with these thumbnails. Sometimes you're going to want drastic changes to see which direction is truly the best direction for your audience, which then you can go back in and retest to see which one out of the next group will be. You're really like honing it in on like what thumbnail is going to make the most amount of people feel like you're targeting them. And it's like, oh, that video is for me, I should click on it. Once you've chosen your 3 different images, by the way, you can go back in and change or undo or download it. But once you're done, you hit the done button. That test has not started yet. It will only start whenever you go up to the top here and click on save. So now, as you can see, when you're looking at the thumbnail, it is partitioned into 3 different sections of each thumbnail. If you go back to the channel content page, it will also do the same thing. It will partition it into the different options that you have, showing you visually that there is a test going on. YouTube will take anywhere from a few days to 2 weeks to find a winning thumbnail, and it will automatically finalize that thumbnail for you and your viewer. Now, every new viewer will now see the finalized winner thumbnail at the end of the test. So I normally make options for my thumbnails for every single video that I create, and I even ask you guys in our community tab which thumbnail is better. And while I will still do that to get my core audience and my closest audience's opinion, I can also just utilize the YouTube's new test and compare feature to find out which thumbnail brought the correct audience who stayed the longest and enjoyed the content most. And that's one of the cool things about this feature, is that it doesn't just measure the click-through rate. It measures what is the actual best thumbnail for this video by analyzing the watch time of the viewers who clicked on option A, B, or C. I think this feature is really going to change the game of YouTube by not really allowing for clickbaity content anymore, and really assisting creators in finding their core audience and target their audience faster by allowing YouTube to measure what visuals strike their audience most. I honestly just think it'll elevate the game of everybody's thumbnails, and you'll really find that a lot of creators are making thumbnails that match what the content is of their video a lot more. And that's really the reason why every single creator should be using this tool, because it's almost like an advancement that if you don't use, you're kind of going to get left behind. So now, what if you haven't posted anything in a month, 2 months, half a year, or even a year? Well, I have some great news for you. When the details on the back end of a video are changed, that video has a potential to be shown to more people, giving it more impressions, even though the video was posted a long time ago. YouTube has to run the test of the thumbnail, so it's going to give your video to new viewers, and if there is a thumbnail that really speaks to that target audience, then that video could explode even after the initial boost of impressions that YouTube gives out to new videos. Meaning, if you created options for your thumbnails for videos even 10 months ago, you should go in and add those options to YouTube and see if any of your videos will now take off due to having a new thumbnail that speaks more to the audience. I'm super super excited about what this tool means for us creators. And I'm also excited to find new avenues to find my niche target audience easier by utilizing this tool. I'm also excited to not have to utilize any other software like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to help test thumbnails and see what thumbnails are going to do the best. So let me know if this works for you and share your results in our Discord if you're in there. And if you need any assistance, me and my team will be there to help you guys out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.